Good afternoon, YouTube family. This is Shirley coming to you with a Dollar Tree haul. I'm going to start with I have 2 bags. Hopefully you guys are enjoying the month of November into December at this point. It is still hot down here. Yes, we're real close to the equator now, and hopefully we get some type of breeze. Okay, hopefully you guys are enjoying, getting things ready, setting up for Christmas, and so on and so forth. I got 2 of these 30 foam bowls. I got 2 of these. And we have the late night ice cream or cake. I'll put that there. I've never tried these before, so I decided to see how they go. I'm from Dollar Tree with cleaning the dishes and things. I'm sorry if you guys hear Des. He is upset right now. So I found the facial cleaning brush for $1, so we'll see how long this lasts. I went and got the Scotch tape, the Pro Max retractable pen in blue, and I also got some Band-Aid, the 40-piece, because my son found the box and he used them all up in one injury on his forehead, the whole box. Got Princess, 2 bars. The Pure Cleansing Bar with vitamin E. I got the Spray Disinfect, the Country Rain scent. I really like this for those real quick areas to deodorize. Also got the Wildflower by Soft Soap Honey Hand Soap. I got the Forever Pure Attraction Melanin Plum fragrant mist, but I missed this on the kids' bedding sheets. It makes it lasts long on your sheets, and it keeps the aroma in their room really nice and fresh. I got the Soft Whisper shower foam for the kids. They like this as well. And the final item is the Tile Plus 4-in-1 all-purpose cleaner. So everything came up to $14. And yeah, $14. So that wasn't too bad. At Dollar Tree, I've been doing great with savings and not going overboard, so I'm real proud of myself. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of November/December, and I'll talk to you guys very soon. Bye.